Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. Sorry, I'm moving a little bit. I've been sitting here for a minute. And today, I know this is not essential. We're under a safer at home. We're not under a stay-at-home order anymore, so retail stores did put back up. Now, I have not been retail shopping except for online in a long time because closed down. We went under the first day safer at home like mid-March, and then April 4th, we went under stay tail at home except for essential business, right? So all retail closed at that point. So what I was ordering, luckily, at that point, like, well, I was able to get like what I needed at Walmart for Colton's birthday, and I'd already been to Dollar Tree for Easter stuff. So anyway, I needed to go retail stuff. I know this is bad, but to look at stuff, to get sale stuff, because I have a birthday coming up in just a few days. She turns 18. Poor girl can't even graduate, or they might have a ceremony later this year, but yeah, for my niece. And then my nephew's birthday is in July, and Lord knows what July is going to look like now, because our numbers are still increasing. Crazy. I hope everyone's well though and safe, and you know, I've continued working because technically essential in Alabama. People cannot go without the air, even though it got chilly again. They can't go without the air heat. Shopping connection. They didn't have so much on sale. Like with a flight testing, they had Christmas socks. But for Christmas, I love giving the nieces, the older nieces, the teen nieces, some Christmas socks. Okay. So what they get in their stockings, they might not have got any in their stockings this past year, but the years before that, like, because me and my mom have gone to Walmart after Christmas and like racked up on them for like $1 or $2 before. So I had a bunch. Anyway, they had some Christmas socks. So these were $1. This is just one pair, and they're like me, and they're penguins. Look how cute. Now, if you don't know, the youngest of the older nieces, who's 16 now, but she had a sweater that had a penguin on it, and her little sister, she might have been 12, like, just kept calling her Ping Ping. And so it's kind of stuck. We don't really call her Ping Ping anymore, but to irritate her because she doesn't like it. No, she doesn't find it funny. We always thought it was so cute that her little sister was calling her Ping Ping. So I think I got her penguin socks last year, actually. The penguin. She's getting these. These are actually 2 pairs, so I might split these up. These are $1.50. Yeah. And these have Feliz Navidad with a little mustache sombrero wearing cactus, and just a green pair. So actually, these would go unisex, actually. These don't have to be just girl or boy. So I might actually give the boys these. I think they would get a kick out of them, but we'll see. But then I come to this pair, and I didn't notice. But I do have a niece who's 22 now, going on 23. Because I didn't notice this pair, and I just saw the Rudolph. I didn't really pay attention that he's having a drink, but the same Rudolph. I didn't realize that. I just saw the little fuzzy Rudolph. And then this pair, I did not notice that. So I'm seriously, I don't know. Are these supposed to be for guys? What is this? Oh yeah, fits men's shoe size 10 to 13. So are these guys too? Oh, I should have paid attention, but whatever. They're $1.50, and the girls will just pull those up. You know, they're fine. If I don't decide to give it to the girls. So these actually might be for my brother. But honestly, I could probably give my other niece like this pair or something. My brother. He doesn't drink, but you know, it'd be funny anyway. Or he hasn't drank in years. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. I think these are supposed to be guys, but honestly, they're so cute. They're supposed to be size 10 to 13. I didn't even notice that these were men. Because I had them in a basket, and I was trying to say, there's only like 4 or 5 people in there when I went in there, like 4 in the store. It's a good size store. And they had a basket, and it was like near this one, so I was trying not to look so desperate. Now this one, this is just funny. I can't feel my face when I'm with you. That could go for anybody, I don't care. And then this one, yeah, that one could go for anybody. They don't care. So I might like do that. Be funny and give these to the boys and split these up with the girls. Yeah, that might work. Because my nephews have big old feet. They wear size 11. I got these for $10. These look almost exactly. They're a little more cheaply made because that's like coming up and it's like a sticker. I usually pay like not 20. Like I usually wait till they're down to about 15 before I get them at Goodies. Goodies is still not open, and I don't know. They didn't really have them last year. That's why I was wearing the same pair last year, because eventually the things will break. What happened was actually the soles like coming up. These are very hard to find. Like I like the wedges, but I like the thong flip-flop. These are $10. They say extra cushy. They do feel very, very cushy. Like mine's actually hard. Like it's a little hard, the wedges. This feels very rubber, like nothing but rubber, which is nice, but it's fine. But it's actually made more like a flip-flop. That one's a sandal. Like it's like a hard, like this is like nothing but rubber. So I didn't notice that, but $10, and they look like the ones I have. And I've been looking for a pair like that because that's what I like to wear at work, because it goes with everything. You slide them on and you go. So I bought this for me. I bought this for my nephews and medium. I did pay full price for some stuff. But honestly, regular or compare at $24.50. I love Factory Connection. This is $9.99. So I got him a red Aeropostale shirt. And a very nice shirt. Be fine with it. Okay. And I got another one from Aeropostale. So this one was originally, well, compare at $27.50. Their price was $11.99. It's gone half off, so $6. And I think I love that color. I think it looks so good. And he likes baseball, so that's like New York company, but it almost looks like New York Giants. But he likes baseball. Love that color. Love that color on him. He's a blondie with blue eyes. So good and looks color. This one was on sale only like 25% off. They have the greatest sales for girls. So $8.98. But they've recently gotten a Friends, and she likes just comfy casual. She really likes that Southern brand, like that they make for girls. And I was looking, they had a few like worked out, but they didn't have her size. They had too big. She probably would have worn the bigger ones, but anyway. But it says Bless. It's like a Friends kind of thing, so I thought she'd like that. They had leggings, and I had this brand before. They do wear out eventually. Like these look a little thicker than the ones I have. My best leggings that I bought, and actually I had to go in store to buy them, and I was just in there one day and decided to pick up a pair of leggings, were Cato's brand. You know Cato's, the store. If you know the store, you know the store. I go online, all they have is like small available. I'm a medium in leggings, and Cato's brand, which is Mrs. brand. They fit perfectly. They stay up. They have not worn through, and I wore them most of the way. This one pair, and I wash it all the time. A few others, but those are just like the best because I wear leggings all the time, like at work, except for like with 2 dresses that hit the knee or almost the knee. The rest I wear leggings underneath. I have like short dresses or a tunic that was a dress and might have shrunk up a little bit. Like sometimes they do that, but I still wear leggings until I get to a point where I have to wear jeggings with them. So that's what I wear to work. So I bought me some leggings. These were $6. They're free leggings. I just like that. These feel thicker than the ones I currently have. Look, the brand is the same brand. Not the Cato's brand, but the other brand I like that I haven't been wearing out. But honestly, I don't think I bought any leggings. I bought a couple of new jeggings last year, maybe the year before. But I didn't buy any new ones last year, and I have like so many that you're just wearing out because bigger girl, big thighs, they rub together. They wear out leggings, you know. So I bought me some new capri leggings. I got that color. They're $6. I got this light gray color, which is still good. Somewhere. I mean, honestly, you wear them around like This little Kohl's Bell Bar having, but I wore leggings this week, last week, you know. I wear leggings in the winter too. Like, I have winter dresses and then thicker leggings. But I like the shirt. It's like a thin, summery, pretty material with all these stains on it. I thought she'd like that. I got me some light capri leggings. So those are mine. Did find another shirt on clearance. This was on sale for $7. Did I see how much the last shirt was? This white one was $5.98. But this is for $7. I thought it was cute. A little different material too, because this is almost that sweater material, and this is like really light. So I thought she'd like that. So at least I got her 3 tops. I actually have one other top over there. I'm unsure on her pant size because, okay, at winter she was like a large, and I guess she's been working to lose a little bit of weight, so she's back down to a medium. I don't know what her pant size. That was fine. Anyway, they had one rack of clearance outside, and I was just looking. And I'm pretty sure this is a junior brand. But yeah, that looks like a junior. Might not be. So, if you don't know this channel, if you're new to this channel, hi. Or if you just don't watch it at Christmas time, I do vlog a lot of wrapping and stuff, and I did show an idea where it was like, wasn't my idea, but me and my mom usually don't. We've always bought, like, usually on Black Friday, we buy the pajama sets for the kids, and there's been a couple of years the girls haven't got any because they grew out of the pajama sizes, you know, and I brought that back because last year, and I think the year before, I was able to find pajamas at Factory Connection for them, like on sale, decent price. So last year I think I found all their pajama pants on Zulily, and then I went to Goodies and found clearance shirts, like black shirts to go with them, like little light black shirts that were light enough to sleep in. So yeah, but anyway, I do like pajama set for all the kids. I have 10 nieces and nephews, and they get pajamas, a thing of popcorn, and coffee cup with like our Christmas coffee cup, and which I recommend. I'm going to Dollar Tree next year because Dollar Tree has so many different colors and variations and prints, where Dollar General has like 3. And then a thing of hot chocolate mix, and you put that, wrap it up in this nice like little first gift. And a lot of times, like, we'll get through a few presents and then they go change into their pajamas for the rest of the half of the pictures for Christmas and stuff like that. So anyway, I saw these were on clearance for, guess how much? So originally $9, which isn't bad at all for a fleece pajama pant. These were marked down all the way to $2.25. So these are a nice fleece, so cute. I didn't even notice this part that they gathered the ankles. How cute! My nieces actually like that. So this is a small, of course, for the 16. She'll be 17 this Christmas. Okay, and then I was able to get another medium, very medium, in the same print. Again, they don't care. Same print, whatever. For $2.25. $2.25 pajama pants. Come on, fleecy. These are so soft. And I was so happy because they only had like 4 pairs, maybe 5 of this pajama, and then they had a couple of really Christmassy ones on the outside rack. And I was like, oh, please be medium, because this is like, sometimes I like matching all of them. I don't know what I'll do with the top. I might just go find a tank top. I don't know, honestly. But yeah, and here's another medium. They're so soft and so cute, and the girls will love them. Okay, so this is my for Christmas bag. Like I said, I didn't have a lot that was calling to me for the girls. Oh, but I didn't realize those were bear socks. But honestly, I saw the penguins and I was like, oh, okay, hold on, there's one more top for my nephew. This one had a little bit of peel in it. It's just been in the store for a while, I guess. This is on sale for $9.98. Yeah, $9.98 in the medium. My nephew, when he's not being preppy, most of the time he's not. He likes those Southern Marsh type shirts, the Real Tree type shirts. He's weird. This is his almost 16-year-old. He'll be 16. So I found this one on sale. It says country, and he likes hunting. He loves hunting. I think he likes fishing. Yeah, he likes fishing. So actually, my niece that likes these type of shirts, she likes fishing too. Not hunting, but fishing. So it's got a deer and the fast food country life, which he'll love. So yeah, so I was able to get him 3 shirts, which I'm glad. I need to get him more shorts, but I know I can go to maybe to VF Outlet, hopefully, and get him some shorts. Yeah, I have 1 pair, I think. Yeah, 1 pair for him. I was able to get him pants at Christmas that still fit fine, so it's just the shorts that we have to work on now because he went and grew out of everything. So yeah, so I think I did good with him. Anyway, stay safe. Stay happy. I know. This will pass one day. Pass. One day. They'll pass. Okay. Love to you all. Toodles.